Have you ever wondered why trading on a decentralized exchange feels like a struggle? You either deal with slow speeds, high fees, or slippage that eats your profits before the trade even lands. But what if there was a project that combined the lightning speed of a massive exchange like Coinbase with the total security of your own private wallet? A project so powerful, it's already attracting billions in volume and the biggest investors in the world. Is LIT the missing piece the crypto world has been waiting for, or just another trend? Right now, LIT is making waves because it claims to solve a problem that has haunted DeFi for years. It isn't just another swap site, it's a high-performance machine built on something called zero-knowledge technology. But here is the part that most people are missing. There is one specific feature that makes it safer than almost any other exchange you've used. I'll explain exactly what that is in just a moment. Hi, I'm Siena, a programmer, trader, and Web3 expert who's been learning and trading crypto since 2018. I create simple, easy-to-understand, and ad-free videos explaining crypto concepts and projects in short, clear formats every week. Subscribe to my channel for more high-quality and simply explained videos. Also, like the video to help me and my channel to grow. So, what exactly is Lighter? At its core, Lighter is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, that lives on the Ethereum network. But unlike traditional DEXs that use liquidity pools, which can be slow and unpredictable, Lighter uses an on-chain order book. Think of it like this. Traditional DEXs are like a vending machine. You get what's inside at whatever price it says. Lighter is like a professional stock market. You can set exactly what price you want to buy or sell at, and it happens instantly. Because it uses Layer 2 technology, it's incredibly fast and the fees are almost zero. It allows you to trade with professional tools while keeping your money in your own pocket, not the exchange's pocket. What makes Lighter truly special is its verifiable matching engine. In many exchanges, you just have to trust that the platform is matching your trades fairly. Lighter uses advanced math, zero-knowledge proofs, to prove on the blockchain that every trade was fair and no one jumped the line. The vision of the project is to become the institutional-grade home for DeFi. They've already raised over $68 million from legendary investors like Founders Fund and A16Z. They aren't just building a website. They are building the infrastructure for the future of finance, where big banks and regular traders can trade side by side with total transparency. Does it have potential? With over $1.4 billion already locked in the protocol and trading volumes rivaling the biggest names in the space, the momentum is hard to ignore. As more traders leave centralized exchanges because of safety concerns, Lighter platforms that offer CEX speed with DEX safety are positioned to be the biggest winners of the next cycle. I'm trying to grow this channel and help others like me. If my video helped you, like and subscribe and leave a comment to boost my motivation. Lately, it has been hard to keep going without feedback. Love you guys. See you in the next video.